Hello everyone, so today I'm going to discuss about how to install Numpy, Pygame and Tkinter in Python. As you all know, these three are very important. Numpy for data software, Pygame for making fun with games, and Tkinter is a graphical user interface, the GUI. I will show you the simplest way to install it for Windows 10. Yes, the latest version of Windows and the simplest way to do it. Now many people get confused about it, but if you will follow me step by step, it is going to be really very easy. So let's not waste time and begin with it. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open the command prompt. You can search command prompt and open the app command prompt where you will give the direct commands and you can install it. Now, the very simple step, what we are going to do is we are going to use the pip command, the simplest command for the beginners, for the proper Python, for the starting. Just write and install. It's as simple as that. And suppose you want to install NumPy, you need to type NumPy and press enter. Now it is analyzing the data. Always remember you need an internet connection for this as it is not possible without an internet connection. Now here we go. The output is requirement already satisfied. See, this is the output in my PC because I have already installed NumPy. But this is not going to be the output in your PC. The output will be collecting NumPy and then it will install. Don't worry about the file size, it is 1 or 2 MB, it should take just seconds to install it. And if you have Wi-Fi, it is going to be less than a second. Same way, if you want to install suppose Pygame, type install Pygame and press enter. Again the same process and requirement already satisfied. This shows that it is quite very easy and I think this is going to help you to install NumPy and Pygame. Now some of you might receive a warning message saying that you should consider upgrading pip. See, it is not a major problem. If you do not upgrade it, it does not matter at all. You can leave it and that warning is not going to be a problem. But if you want to install it and upgrade it, there is also no problem either. As of now, you can do it with a simple version of pip. So this was the easiest way you can do to install NumPy, Pygame and Tkinter. I hope you liked the video, so kindly give it likes and subscribe me for later updates. Thank you.